Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews. And we're going to add some fitness into this channel very soon, so keep your eyes peeled. So today I am reviewing this super cute unit, but if you want to see all the deets, you got to stick around for the rest of this video. So we're gonna be right back.
Yeah.
Work, 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 work. To me, I feel work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. In the cafe, my dirt, 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 dirt. Drive me a dessert. Nothing to be lurking.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest.
Goes all around. First of all, you guys, this lace goes all the way around. I guess you could put this in a ponytail because there's like baby hairs back here too. This is the back. So that's interesting.
All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. Da, 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 da. When you walk out, da, 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 da. Before the table turn, 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 turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I would never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your past against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this too. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel why. You see me, I feel why. You see me do my da 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 da. So me by that why. When you walk out, la 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 la. When the cat from my ta 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 ta.
Yeah, okay. You need to get done, 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 done. That work come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done, 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 done. If you come on, sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling, 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 rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You'll spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work, 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 work.
You see me, I feel why.
So welcome back. Today I'm reviewing another Bobbi Boss unit. It is from their Boss Lace First Class Hair Collection. It is from their Updo Revolution Natural Part and Full Updos. It is the MLF419 Hazel in the color TTBLKCHERY, and this is what the stock card is looking like. This unit is so cute. I am loving this color. And this is what the back of the stock card is looking like. It shows you from their collection and their series that they have a wig that you can do updos and take it down. It's so cute. It's so cute. But yeah, it does show other units actually. Josephine, Abigail, Amelia, Eleanor, and this one is Hazel. I swear all their units are something Hazel, y'all. I know I'm not crazy. But it's a hand-tied deep lace. It's 13 by 2, 360, so you can wear this in an updo. It has a Medi Fresh Safe and Clean cap. It comes in a bunch of other specialty colors. It has a unique parting space. And it has baby hairs, flex fit cap, it's heat safe. yeah, all that good jazz, okay? But I do feel like that their names are always Hazel something, I swear. But this unit wasn't bad, y'all. It was easy. If you are familiar with my channel, you know I love me some plop and goes. I didn't have a lot to do with this. I don't like to typically spray my edges down, my synthetic wigs down, because they're synthetic, y'all. Like, as you guys saw earlier, there's like adhesive in here and it's kind of hard to get out. So I'm like wondering how many more wears I have of this, because I don't like to have to glue my shit down. I just don't. That's not what I like. But I really, really like this curl pattern. I'm loving the length. I love this color. This is cute. My husband and I are going to a cigar bar tonight. Y'all think this outfit is cute for it? What y'all think? Well, not the outfit, but the hairstyle. Because I think I might switch up the outfit. But this is cute. Definitely cute. I love the little ponytail right here. You can wear it to the side, split it down the middle. You can wear it in a bun if you like. Yeah, I had to go in and readjust it because it was poking out over here on the side, and that was how I got it. So I wanted to, you know, give you guys the full effect. But this is cute. I do like it. The texture of it is really nice. It is giving yaki vibes, so just keep that in mind. I love the like single curls in here, so I don't have to go through, like, you don't have to comb your fingers through. It's just like, it's a nice amount of density and thickness, and it's cute, y'all. It's cute. It is big head friendly. It does have two combs on the side, a comb in the back, and adjustable straps back there as well. I will say that for some reason Bobbi Boss, their combs are so freaking far spread apart. I really hate that. I really, really hate that. Like, I think that the comb should be like a lot closer, you know, because now I don't have a choice but to basically like glue it down. Okay, that's better. Yeah, I had to blend it in a little bit more. So I went in along the hairline with the actual color of the wig. Honestly, you guys, that technique works for me. I have a 4K camera. It shows everything. I see a lot of other fellow YouTubers. I don't know what quality camera they have. It's a 4K, you know, what is it, 720? I think that is the next one below. I can't remember. Like, they usually use like a concealer or their natural foundation color along the edges. It don't work for me. I swear it don't. I've tried it multiple times, and then I'll watch my video back on camera and you can see the lace, and I hate it. For me, on their videos you can't see the lace, so I really don't know. Like, I wish I could just sit down with one of them and be like, let me see what you do. So yeah, for me, finding a color of the roots works for me because you can't see it on camera, and it looks good in person. It doesn't look bad, actually. I also like to leave my baby hairs alone. I just feel like it gives it more of a natural look. I don't like to lay my baby hairs. I don't like to cut them off. I just leave them there and I let them lay in their natural looking place, and that's how I roll, okay? But this unit does range on Divas' website for $48. So the link is in the description box below. Thank you so much for kindly sending me this wig, Divas. You guys, they have been coming through with these units, and yeah, they're cute, aren't they? But yes, but yeah, you can find the link in the description box below at Divas. So thank you for kindly sending me this unit. But yeah, you guys, I have been loving these colors. I do. It's so cute. It was easy, and that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know in the comments below what you think, okay? And thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button right there. It's free to support. Namaste.